you've been into cinema for 15, 20 years. So what have you seen changing in the kind of movies we make, in the themes we have drawn?
Thank you. Firstly, I have to say it's a big honor to be here today. All the families in the Mumbai Customs on the International Customs Day. You all are protectors of our economy in various ways. आप सब अपने परिवार के साथ आज आए हैं. आपका दिन है और हम ये छोटा सा हम कर सकते हैं आपके लिए, आपको आके एंटरटेन करें, आपसे बातचीत करें, तो हमारे लिए आई थिंक बहुत ही अमेजिंग बात है कि हम ये कर पाते. आपने हमें ये मौका दिया. So big love to all of you and give yourselves a big round of applause. And thank you so much for doing the honors. And आपका सवाल ये था, क्या था?
What change have you seen in the past 15, 20 years in the kind of movies we make?
You don't have to be scared of me. You can come closer. I don't bite. हाँ. क्या मैंने बदलाव देखा? What have I seen changed?
When you started with DDLJ to today.
DDLJ in many ways was my training ground. It was where I was an assistant on such an amazing film, and I can't. Most people वो film schools जाते हैं, universities जाते हैं सीखने, तो I learnt everything I had to learn on the sets of दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. वो दौर अलग था. It was a different kind of cinema. आज हमारी कहानियाँ बदल गई हैं, reality आ गया है हमारी फिल्मों में. फिर बड़ी बड़ी scale वाली फिल्म भी बन रही है, जैसे बाहुबली बनी थी, अब पद्मावत बनी है. तो there are lots of these big content, बड़े स्टूडियोज आ गए हैं, ओवरसीज मार्केट हमारी फिल्म्स को बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पांस दे रहे हैं. The general dynamics of the movies have changed. Also छोटी-छोटी फिल्में हैं जो हाई कंटेंट होती हैं, चाहे वो नीरजा हो या कपूर एंड सन्स हो या रिसेंटली तुम्हारी सुल्लू या बरेली की बर्फी, दंग, बहुत सारी ऐसी पिक्चरें बनी हैं which are small films but with big hearts and high content. तो बहुत कुछ बदल गया है. From when I started as an assistant to my first film कुछ कुछ होता है to now when I see what's happening around me, there's a sea change, but Indian cinema is truly on the global map, and that's something we should be proud of.
Fantastic. So, what do you enjoy the most? Now you have been dabbling into so many things. Now you've also become an RJ. So, what prompted you to get into that?
I think I was told that radio is an exciting platform, which it is. And I was told that I must give people relationship advice. And I think most people are very messed up in matters of love. So when you're not in a relationship, it's very easy to give advice. So that's why I decided that I must be an RJ on a love-based show. So you guys, all of you have any problems, just calling Karan is the one-stop shop for any problem. And all of you have ek tarfa pyar issues. So I'm sure you will have a great time calling that show.
The show is already arranged. And I must also compliment you for being the only director who perhaps has a more high profile than all the actors. You're the only director who we can think who's also a star. And you have also brought so many directors, the new breed of directors into cinema who are all now doing very well. So,
well, I think it's wonderful because I think paying it forward is very essential. I'm proud to say that Dharma Productions has launched about 15 or 16 new directors. Everyone accuses me of nepotism, but I want to say 15 of those filmmakers do not come from any film families. They're all from outside the confines of the industry and they've had a strong platform. फिर भी मेरा नाम खराब है, I don't know why.
I think you've cleared the air now.
Huh?
You've cleared the air now.
No, I'm not really. I think it's just trendy to attack me sometimes. It's okay, I don't mind. I like it. जब मैं सुबह मेरे Twitter account पे मैं troll नहीं होता ना, I feel something is wrong. I feel जब ज़्यादा तारीफ होती है तो मुझे बुरा लगने लगता है. लेकिन यार क्या हो रहा है? क्यों मेरी तारीफ कर रहे हैं? वो बुराई करे better है.
Get your point. Now I have a question regarding your new book. Many of us have read the book, but for the rest of us, could you give us a view of what the book is about?
The book has been published by Penguin. It's called An Unsuitable Boy, and it's pretty much a memoir. मैं autobiography नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि I'm too young, I think, to have an autobiography. But it's a memoir and it's a real account of my life up to this point, up to the birth of my babies actually. So it's actually an amazing, it's my journey, my obstacles, my insecurities, my fears, my apprehensions. बहुत ऐसी चीजें हमारी जिंदगी में होते हैं. हमें लगता है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोगों की एक किस्म की जिंदगी होती है. This film breaks that myth in many ways. It talks to you about how all of us are incomplete and perhaps unsuitable, but yet if you put yourself out there, you can achieve anything.
Fantastic. That's so inspiring. What message would you like to give to many people from our families who feel that they want to join the industry or who have a talent, maybe singers. You'll have a lot of these performers here.
I have to just one thing, most of you, I'm a parent now, my children are nearly a year old next month, but I have to tell all the parents in the house here that please don't discourage your children from doing what they want to do. It's very important that if they have a passion that is not what you think they should do, you must allow them to nurture it. Not everyone should do what you are doing. Maybe some of them want to sing, they want to act, they want to dance, they want to do things in a creative field, or they want to do some things that you think, yaar ye to unstable profession hai, ye pata nahi kya hoga. But unke growth ko aap please stunt mat kijiyega, unko encourage kariyega. If they want to do something that scares you, allow them to try it out. It's very essential as parents to support. I know कि जब मैं फिल्म मेकर बनना चाहता था तो मेरे पिताजी जो थे उन्होंने बहुत सारी अनसक्सेसफुल फिल्म्स बनाई थी. About 5 or 6 of them had failed at the box office. तो उनको ये खौफ था, ये डर था कि शायद मैं फेल हो जाऊं. फिर भी उन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट दिया, मेरी माँ ने मुझे सपोर्ट दिया और कहा कि अगर तुम ये करना चाहते हो तो give it a time frame, but allow your child to do what he or she wants to. Don't dictate their life. Let them create their own. It's very essential that parents...
What a beautiful message. I'm sure not many of us will be enlightened by this. Now, what next? You have made so many movies, you've launched directors, you've launched actors, you've dabbled in radio, and you have so many decades to go. So what are your plans?
Well, I'm glad you think I have so many decades to go. That makes me feel very young at the moment. What next? I have more movies to make. I want to focus on being predominantly, I came into this profession as a filmmaker, as a director, and everything else sometimes takes over. But at heart, I am a filmmaker and a passionate one of that. So I can't wait to make my next film and make many more films and just expand Dharma Productions, go digital, go wide with films and just...
international?
Well, perhaps, you never know what I just want, in the next 15 years, I want my company to be really in a special place. That's my big dream. But more than anything else, I can't wait to direct my next film, which I have no idea what that is, but I'm excited to go back on set.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Anything else?
Nothing, I just have to say thank you very much. You guys are a wonderfully active and energized audience. I was here last year. Here again, I have to thank my friend Shashank Shekhar, who always graciously invites me and the entire team at the Indian Customs, Mumbai Customs, and you guys are amazing. I just feel it's such an amazing department we have. Solid, professional, and always there. All you families should be very proud of members of your family who are part of the Customs. And you guys do a great job. Thank you for inviting me.
Now I would request Patnaik sir to kindly come to the stage to felicitate Mr. Karan Johar for taking out time out of his busy schedule and also inspiring us with his ideas.
Thank you. Thank you so much for asking me sensible questions.